Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Kubernetes deployments for AI workloads, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Kubernetes deployments for AI workloads, begin by accessing your Kubernetes cluster. Use the kubectl command line interface to interact with your cluster. First, check the current state of your deployments. Run the command kubectl get deployments to list all your existing deployments. Identify the specific deployment that requires restoration. Next, confirm the current configuration of the deployment. Use kubectl describe deployment _name to view its details. If your deployment has a backup, locate the YAML or JSON file containing the previous configuration. If you do not have a backup, consider retrieving the configurations using kubectl get deployment _name o YAML. Next, carefully review the backup file or the previous configuration. Make any necessary adjustments to the backup, ensuring compatibility with your current cluster setup. Once you have the correct configuration, it's time to apply it. Use kubectl apply fbackup _file.yaml to restore the deployment. Monitor the restoration progress by running kubectl rollout status deployment /deployment_name. Check for any errors or warnings that may arise during the rollout process. If everything looks good, verify that the pods are healthy. Use kubectl get pods to check the status of the individual pods. In case of any issues, you may need to troubleshoot. Use kubectl logs pod _name to view the logs for specific pods that are malfunctioning. If necessary, you can scale the deployment down and then back up again. Use kubectl scale deployment _name replicas = 0 to scale it down. Then, scale it back up with kubectl scale deployment _name replicas = desired _number. Once the deployment is fully restored, test the AI workloads to ensure they function as expected. If all tests pass, your Kubernetes deployment for AI workloads is successfully restored. Document the restoration process for future reference. Finally, consider setting up a more robust backup strategy for your deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.